What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Falcon from the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Let's begin in the center of our page with the inside edge of the goggles. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a short line going across from left to right. And then from the ends we'll angle up and out. Let's round out the top of the goggles. Starting on the left, we go up and then bend that out. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's work our way down the side of the goggles, starting from the top left, angle down and out with a straight line. Come down with a short line on both sides. And then we'll round out the bottom, starting back on the left, curve down, and then bend that in. Let's curve the goggles coming back in toward the center. Starting on the left, curve up, and then in, bend this out, and then back down on the right. And now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the goggles. Starting from the center, step down, curve this out, and then down toward the left and right side. Now I'll follow that same curve, going out, and then up. And then we'll go straight up towards the top of the goggles, starting on the left and then the right side. Let's round out the top of the goggle, starting back on the left, and go up, and then just bend that down on the inside, go to the right, and do the same thing. And we'll bend down the center of the goggle, starting on the left, come down the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's go back and add some detail to the goggles. Starting from the top, start with two short lines coming down on either side. Come down and in towards the middle with a straight angled line. Let's go to the top point, go out, and then bend that down. And then from the side of the goggle, draw a straight line going out. Let's move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start over on the left, draw a curve coming down and then up. Now I'm going to step down, move over toward the left, curve the mouth going up and then down. Step down in the center, draw a straight line going across for the lower lip. Now we tuck the bottom half of the head underneath the goggles. Starting on the left, let's step in. And curve down in the middle, just underneath the mouth. Bend that back out and up on the right. Let's draw the edge of the mask along the side. Starting on the left side, curve out, and then back in towards the bottom. Go to the right, go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the goatee. Let's connect the corners of the mouth with a curve, coming down just up above the chin, and then back up on the right. And then from the inside corner of the goggles, we're going to step out, curve out, and back in towards the chin. Now we're going to move back up and draw the top of the head. From the top corner of the goggle, step in, draw a half circle. And go up, spin that in, round up the head, go across, and then down on the right side. And then we'll draw the inside edge of the hairline. Starting on the left, step in, curve the hair going up, and then down. And then from the ends, curve out and then down in behind the goggles. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. From the side of the goggle, curve the ear going up, come down and then back in towards the side of the head. Line this up on the right, going up, down, and then in. And then we'll add the inside fold of the ear. Starting on the side of the goggle, curve up and out on either side. Now let's move down and draw the side of the body. We start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the belt. Starting over on the left, curve this down the middle, and bend that up on the right. Now let's add some detail to the body, starting with the top edge of the belt. From the left hip, we'll step up, curve this down, and then back up. Go to the center and split this in half. And then from the bottom of the belt, angle up and out towards the left and right side. Draw a straight line going up towards the top of the belt. Then we're going to add another seam along the inside, starting from the top left, angle down and in. Now we're going to add a star in the center of the body, starting just underneath the chin in the middle. Start with a point, angle down and out towards the left and right. Go straight out towards the sides, and we'll pull that back down and in. Then we'll work our way down towards the bottom of the star. 2 straight angled lines, and pull that up and in towards the middle. Let's go to the outside point of the star, draw a straight angled line going up and out, step down, and draw that again. And we'll do that one more time. Stepping down, come down towards the bottom of the star, and go up on the right. And then we'll add that trim along the top of the star. On the left, step up, angle down and in, line this up on the right. And I connect the inside with a half circle, going up and then down. From the bottom point of the star, we're going to step down, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and in towards the middle. And then from the center, come straight down towards the belt. Let's go back up to the top, angle down and out towards the side of the body. Let's add those stripes. From the center line, step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down, add 2 more going out towards the left, and we'll do the same thing on the right. And then from the top of that line, angle back up and out. Let's continue working our way towards the bottom of the feet. From the bottom of the buckle, we'll step down, add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel. We're going to curve the foot, coming down and up towards the toe on both sides. And then we'll go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to draw a half circle, going up and down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to leave a gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out and then down on top of the foot. Now we're going to add some detail to the legs. Let's start by adding a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across. Let's go to the top of the foot, step up at the edge of the boot, coming down and then up. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then we'll add a strap going across the thigh. Starting from the inside of the boot, go out and then up. Doing the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to trace this out along the top, stepping up, just follow that back in. Now our character is going to be holding the shield over on the left side. So let's start from the top. Just going to draw the inside edge of the shield, curving in, and then we'll bend that back out. Let's go back up to the top, draw the outside of the shield, going out, and then bending that back in towards the bottom. And then we'll tuck the arm in behind the shield. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out and then down. Let's line this up on the right, go out and then down towards the wrist. Let's finish off the right arm. We're going to start with the thumb, start with a small half circle, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers. We start from the bottom of the thumb, and come down, bend this up around that bracket, step down, go out, and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, up, just pull that in underneath the head. Let's take that same distance between the body and the outside of the arm over on the left side, curve the arm going out and then down in behind the shield. Let's add those rings around the shield. Starting from the top, step down, just follow that same curve, coming in and back out, step down, draw that again. And we'll do that one more time. Stepping down, go all the way around, and then back out. And now we're going to draw half a star on the outside ring. Starting from the top, angle down and in, come straight in towards the ring, and go back down and out. Let's pull this down towards the bottom, angle back up and out. And now we're going to add some detail to the arms. Let's start from the top of the arm on the inside, add a curve going up and out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's connect the top of the body to the outside of this trim with a straight angled line. And then we'll step down and do that again. Let's go to the wrist on the right side, curve the glove going out and then up. Now from the top of the thumb, curve in and then down toward the top of the fingers, then this out and up. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm, curve this up and out, step up and draw that twice. Now I'm going to line this up over on the left side and do that again. Now we're going to layer the wings in behind the body. Let's start from the top of the arm, start with a short angle line going out on both sides. And then from here, we're going to angle up and out towards the tip of the wing. And do the same thing on the right. Now the edge of the wing is going to get thicker as we come back down. We'll just pull this down and in, and then pull that straight in behind the arm. Let's do the same thing over on the right. And down, we'll go in behind the shield, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's go up to the top of the wing, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll angle this down and in behind the shield on the left, come down and in behind the arm on the right. Let's go back to the hips, angle the wings going up and out towards the side. Let's add a trim along the inside. Starting from the top, angle down and in behind the shield. Let's line this up on the right, come down and in behind the arm. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight angled line. And I'll add one more trim. Stepping down, angle down and out, line this up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's the Falcon from the Falcon and Winter Soldier. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.